Hello everybody, today I am going to show you how you can make this kind of shine effect over your logo in two much easiest way.
Till I collapse, I'll be moving too fast. Got my foot up on the gas, full throttle till I crash. I'm back with a vengeance. You gon' see me end this. I will be ascending. I don't ever slack. I got my eyes on a prize. What I see for my life, I don't float, no I fly. Do or die, cause you gotta do or die. There ain't no compromise. Get ready for a fight.
Do you wanna see what you're made of? What if there was no one to save us? Would you leave it all on the page?
Pick a blank video footage from here.
I just wanna find out my limits.
Drag it on your timeline.
I'm in this life too.
Increase its length as your demand. Now, import your logo.
Do you want it bad? I'll fight till I collapse. I'll fight till I collapse.
Resize your logo size.
Till I collapse. My energy is unmatched.
Hold Alt key and drag your logo on top. For duplicate it,
Still working to surpass everybody getting past on my way.
go to Effect option from here. Then search Ramp.
For me now, everybody in this town will be looking at my crown. I got my knuckles all wrapped, blood drips from the scabs, bloody fists from the jab.
Drag the effect on your under logo layer.
What if there was no one to save us?
Now select top one.
Would you die the ground with some straight?
Pick Pen tool from opacity option. Drag a thinner rectangle, as me.
I'm in this life to win it, and this is just the beginning.
Do you want it bad?
Enable mask paths, toggle animation. Now move this point on right side. Do long for slowly, and short for fast shiny effect. Now tap on this mask option from here. Drag the rectangle over your logo, as me. We done our 80% of our work. Let's check one time.
My energy is unmatched. I don't get tired, no I don't get gas. I'm back, still working to surpass.
Pretty cool.
Getting past on my way up fast. No slack. So watch out for me now. Everybody in this town will be looking at my crown. I got my knuckles.
Let's add some feather for look the shine effect more realistic.
Do you wanna see what you're made of? What if there was no one to save us? Would you leave it all on the pavement? Would you dye the ground with some straight blood? I just wanna find out my limits. I'ma put everything in it. I'm in this life to win it.
Done. See? That looks so awesome now.